Credit Glory features, strengths, weaknesses. Credit Glory is a credit repair service offering a multi-tiered approach to improving your credit score. Key features include credit report analysis, dispute processing, creditor intervention, and debt validation. They analyze your credit reports from all three major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, identifying inaccurate, incomplete, or unverifiable negative items dragging down your score. Credit Glory distinguishes itself by automating the dispute process, sending out tailored dispute letters on your behalf to creditors and credit bureaus. They also claim to engage in more aggressive tactics like creditor intervention, directly contacting creditors to negotiate the removal of negative items or arrange payment plans. Debt validation is another core service. Credit Glory challenges creditors to provide proof that a debt is legally enforceable, potentially leading to its removal if they cannot. This service is primarily aimed at individuals with demonstrable errors on their credit reports, those overwhelmed by the dispute process, or those seeking aggressive creditor negotiation. The ideal client has legitimate inaccuracies and the patience for the lengthy credit repair process. A significant strength is their automated dispute system, streamlining the process and potentially accelerating results. The creditor intervention and debt validation strategies offer a more proactive approach compared to basic dispute services. Their tiered pricing provides flexibility based on your specific needs. However, a major weakness is the cost. Credit repair services are not inexpensive, and Credit Glory's fees may be prohibitive for some. Success is never guaranteed. Credit repair is not a quick fix, and removing legitimately accurate negative information is extremely difficult, if not impossible. Another potential downside is the lack of transparency regarding specific dispute strategies. While they claim to tailor disputes, the exact methods used are not always fully disclosed, which can make it difficult to assess the value of the service. Furthermore, while creditor intervention sounds promising, its effectiveness can vary significantly depending on the creditor and the specific circumstances. Ultimately, Credit Glory offers a comprehensive suite of credit repair services. However, potential clients should carefully weigh the costs, consider the likelihood of success based on their individual circumstances, and explore alternative options like self-directed credit repair before committing. Remember, no credit repair company can legally guarantee specific results. Thoroughly research and understand your rights under the Fair Credit Reporting Act (FCRA) before making any decisions.